crutches, you would always go first with your crutches, then you would go with your injured leg, which is in this case the left leg, at the level of the crutches, and then your right leg. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. When you turn, we always turn bit by bit. So not at once, because we can lose our balance. So we always turn bit by bit. Then we would go again, crutches, one leg, opposite leg. Crutches, your injured leg, level with the crutches, not before, not too far after, level with your crutches, and then your opposite leg, your uninjured leg, goes past. In the beginning, if you still really struggle to do that, you can put your feet next to each other. So 1, 2, 3, that is a bit more stable. But again, long term, we want the feet to pass each other because that's a more normal pattern of walking. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And you just keep walking like that. Now, to use steps, we always use the rhyme of up with the good, down with the bad. So in this case, the good is my right leg, that's the uninjured leg. So when we go upstairs, I would go with my right leg first, then my left leg, then my crutches. So importantly, it's first your legs, then your crutches going up. So up with the good, my right leg, left leg, crutches. Right, left, crutches. Right, left, crutches. Now again, in this case it's right, left because my left leg is the injured leg. If my right leg was the injured leg, it's just the opposite. What needs to happen is that the uninjured leg, your strong leg, goes up first, then your injured leg, then your crutches, going up. Going down, it's the opposite. So up with the good, down with the bad. So going down, first it's my crutches, then it's my injured leg, which is my left one, right leg. Crutches, left, right. Crutches, left, right. That's going down. So it's the exact opposite of going up. So going down, first your crutches, then your injured leg, then your uninjured leg. Here we go again. Crutches, left, right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So that's a 3-step gait. If that becomes easier, you can progress into a 2-step gait, where your crutches and your injured leg, they go together as one. So that would be 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So as you become more confident with your crutches, you can start doing that. Just to show the step.